Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Premiere recognizes your audio. Use Premiere Pro with speech to text. Import your media and drop it on the timeline. Name the sequence so you don't lose track. Once done, switch to the text workspace and click Transcribe sequence. Choose the correct audio track and language. This improves accuracy by focusing on the right mic. You're taking the first actionable step now, so let Premiere analyze rather than guessing settings later. This saves time when you edit the resulting transcript. Now you refine the middle steps. Pick the transcription model that matches your audio, default for standard, high accuracy for clarity, or noisy audio for background sounds. Make selective transcribes by setting in /out points when you only need parts of a clip. This speeds processing. If there are multiple speakers, enable speaker labeling so the transcript maps dialogue correctly. Then, in the transcript panel, correct misheard words and punctuation. Accurate text here yields better captions and makes searches reliable when you export or create captions later. Finish by converting the clean transcript into captions. Choose Create Captions, review timing and max characters per line, then export as SRT or burn captions into the video. Make sure to use Find to locate phrases and adjust timings before final export. This prevents subtitle run-ons. If things go wrong, low accuracy or missing words, rerun transcription with a different model, isolate the noisy segment and retranscribe, or fix lines manually in the transcript panel. Often improving the audio source yields the biggest accuracy boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.